Hello, I'm Gia from Designs by Gia Interior Design, and welcome to one of my projects. I cannot wait to show you the finished project that we have recently completed here in this lovely home. We've worked in this home before, and we have some lovely homeowners, and we have done numerous projects for them, so it's always exciting to come back and to complete another project. This time it's the dining room. As we started this dining room area, we knew that we were going to have to change everything, from the flooring to all of the woodwork and even the fireplace and the fireplace surround. We added cabinetry and some other beautiful things. But first I'll tell you a little bit about what was here. This room had a lot of woodwork that was put in to this room. It wasn't original woodwork to this house. This is a very old home, and the woodwork that was here was not original, since this house actually had a fire several years before our homeowner ever purchased it, and it was done in a very primitive way. So we weren't married to keeping the woodwork in here, since it wasn't original and it didn't have a whole lot of architectural integrity. So we decided we were going to change everything. One of the issues with an older home is a lack of storage. Even though we knew that this home was very gracious in size, we really lacked storage. So wherever we can, when we're redoing a space in this home, we like to add storage. And in here, we wanted to add cabinetry. The existing cabinets that you see around the fireplace were not really cabinets, they were just doors, so we really had no storage there. So I knew if we wanted to add cabinetry, we were going to have to come into the room with those cabinets, because we were working around an existing center fireplace. Behind the wall, we had all of the brick from that center fireplace, and we needed to come into the room with our new cabinetry. So that's what we did. We removed the existing old pine flooring, and we put in this beautiful maple flooring, and we were able to change the whole mood of the room with that flooring change. It's much lighter, and it looks beautiful with all of the dark furniture that we added into the design. And we also decided that we really wanted to keep an older feel to this room. Our homeowners really love traditional design, and so all of the choices that were made here were based on that. So when I designed this room, I really wanted to keep that in mind. I also wanted to keep in mind that the environment around this home is so beautiful. You have a lot of green pastures and beautiful vignettes out every window. So I really wanted to have that feel in this dining room as you dined in this space, that you would really be able to continue the beautiful feel of the greenery around. So to start out this design, I really wanted to do a mural wallpaper in this space. First, I did a space plan for this room. I created a floor plan. The only thing that we kept in here was the homeowner's existing dining table, which size-wise really fit the space properly. We went ahead and did new chairs and, of course, new furnishing throughout the space. And it fit perfectly in this room, so we decided to reuse that dining room table. The cabinetry was designed around some of the existing corner posts, and you'll see that it was actually integrated into my custom cabinetry design. I'll show you a little bit more about that when we do the final tour of this room. But we designed a space that you could still walk through, and we had storage, and it really melded perfectly with the outdoors and still kept the integrity of the older home. Welcome to the completed space. Let me give you a little tour so that you can see the finished look. First, I want to show you all of our new cabinetry. My cabinet maker built all of this cabinetry for us as per my design. What we did is we wanted it to look like it has always been there. So we added some beautiful details, some panel details, and some moldings. We wanted our artwork to be framed above. We painted the old brick of the fireplace black, and my homeowner had some beautiful pieces that we've displayed in there from her family, and we were able to give her the much needed storage space that was needed for all of the lovely china and pieces that have come from her family. We added some beautiful hardware details that tie into our chandelier. Inside of this cabinet, we actually used a very pale blue color, and it actually coordinates with our ceiling color, which is also a pale blue. What we did here is we have a beautiful brass chandelier, and you can see some of the details there kind of tie into the rest of the space. We used that beautiful brushed gold finish. We have window treatments in this space as well, beautiful velvet. We added stationary panels and also a Roman shade. That way we can have privacy in this room if we need it. And the most important element in this room is our beautiful Susan Harder painted wallpaper mural. This was sized specifically for us, done to a custom size, and because it's a continuous mural, we were able to choose which panels we wanted where on the wall. This is the finished look with the wallpaper in place. As you can see, it's beautiful, and we were able to really place the scene where we wanted to in the room. We've got some cabinetry here, some beautiful accent cabinets, so we have even more storage space in the room. And we've added some beautiful details, the beautiful pale blue ginger jars, and look at all of the woodwork that we did in this room as well. You can see all of the woodwork on the bottom, as well as the chair rail and baseboard are all new, as well as the beautiful maple flooring. We added some more traditional details to the table. We were able to use a lot of the beautiful pieces that my homeowner had in their family, as far as the china and the crystal and some other pieces to create this beautiful display. We love the way this room turned out, and more importantly, my homeowner is just thrilled with the look and how well it goes with the rest of the house, and they can really enjoy this space, especially now as we're coming into the season of the holidays. I'm thrilled to be able to have this complete so they can enjoy it with their family and friends.